To find the nature and position of images when an object is placed at different places on the principal axis of a concave mirror, for this experiment we need concave mirror, focal length 20 centimeters, screen, V-stand, A4 sheets, matchbox and a candle. Now place the object, here object means candle, beyond C, center of curvature. Observe the position of the image. Adjust the screen in such a way that clear image is obtained on the screen. Object placed beyond C, diminished, inverted, real image is formed between F and C. Diminished, inverted, real image is formed between focal point and center of curvature. Next, change the object position. Now the object is placed on center of curvature. Observe the image position. Observe the image position. Adjust the screen. Same size, inverted, real image is formed at C. Look the flame of the candle, it is inverted, real, same size. Next, change the position of the object. Place the object between F and C. Observe the image position. Now the object is between F and C. Enlarged, inverted, real image is formed beyond C. Enlarged, inverted, real image is formed beyond C. Observe the image position. It is enlarged, real, inverted. Next, change the position of the object. Now the object is placed on F, that means focal point. Observe the image position. Observe the image position. Adjust the screen in such a way that clear image is obtained on the screen. Enlarged, inverted, real image is formed at infinity. Enlarged, inverted, real image is formed at infinity. Next, place the object between P and F. Enlarged, erect, virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Thank you.